Hey, what's up everyone? It's Shan, and today I'm gonna make me a homemade acai berry bowl. Now, we all know that we're under quarantine, so I'm just taking a moment to run out the house just to get a few things. Don't tell Dre. He's not supposed to know I'm out the house. But I had a taste for acai bowl, and I decided that I was going to go and make it instead of going to clean juice. So, walk with me and let's get these ingredients and make this acai bowl. See you in a few. Okay, so I just got back from the supermarket, and because they have limited things, I had to go to 2 different stores. So I have my strawberries, I have my acai packets, my granola. I bought some pineapple because I like to put pineapple in the mix, and some ginger because I like the heat from the ginger, and I just love ginger. You all know that. And then blueberries, raw honey, bananas, and some vanilla almond milk. I'm going to go ahead and construct this now because Michaela has already come out her room and seen that I am going to be making some acai bowls, which means I have to make her one. Great. So, watch me. Okay, so you just saw that I made my first acai bowl at home, and I'm gonna take my first bite. That's really good. I really like the ginger on the inside. Next time I'm gonna put less almond milk because it was a little softer than what I expected it to be. Instead of a half a cup of milk, I'm going to put 1/4. That's really good. Let me get to this before it completely melts and I need to disintegrate it right now. You guys have a great one. Everything that's in this acai bowl is in the description box below. If you haven't hit the subscribe button, now is your time to hit the subscribe button. You don't want to miss out on a lot of cooking and challenges between myself and Andre. If you have any questions, put it in the comment section below, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button and the bell to be notified every time we post a video. See you guys in the next video.